Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how you can get some cheap food, cleaning, and paper products at Family Dollar today only. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, before I show you all the products with the coupon matchups, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that unfortunately these coupons do expire today on September the 29th. Now, Family Dollar usually gives us these store brand coupons once or twice a month, but for some reason they always set the expiration date to expire on a Thursday or Friday. So we never have them on Saturdays to pair up with our 5 off $25 scenarios. But I still think that these are some really good deals even without the 5 off $25 coupon. So I wanted to go ahead and put this video together for y'all really quickly so that y'all could swing by Family Dollar today and pick these items up. Now, I want you to still be on the lookout because I will be doing another Family Dollar video with more coupon matchups and our 5 off $25 scenarios for Saturday. So I will have that video uploaded later this evening or first thing tomorrow morning. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at these coupon matchups, shall we? So first up, we have a 20% off coupon for the Homeline laundry care products. You can pick up the laundry pods for $3.50. After that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.80. Now, this coupon also works on the 9.7 ounce Homeline scent beads. So the Homeline laundry care products are basically like knockoff Tide and Gain products. But as y'all can see, the scent beads are in a larger bottle. I think the Gain run like a 5.7 ounce bottle or 5.5 ounce bottle now. So you are getting more for your money if you don't mind having the off-brand products. And then I also wanted to mention that all of the coupons that y'all are going to see in this video can be used 2 times per transaction. So we have the pods, we have the scent beads, and then I'm sure the dryer sheets are also included. Those are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.80. Alright, next up, we have a 25% off coupon for the Homeline cleaning products. If you want to pick up the Homeline Multi-Surface Cleaner, 33.8 ounces, those are priced at $1.60, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.20. Next up, we have a 40% off coupon for the Homeline paper products. So if you want to pick up the 2-count double roll Homeline paper towels, those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Now, you can also use this coupon on the Homeline soft double roll bath tissues 4-count. Those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Or you could also use this coupon on the Homeline facial tissue cubes 85 count. Those are priced at $1.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Alright, next up we have a 35% off coupon for the Silver Falls beverages. Now we have the Silver Falls Purified Drinking Water 24 count. Those are on sale this week too for $7. Now, I'm not 100% sure that this is how it's going to work out at the register. I haven't been out to Family Dollar yet, but I do plan on going today. But if the sale applies first, that's going to knock both products down to $3.50. And then if that coupon applies to both items, that's going to leave you paying $4.55 for 2 24 packs, which is a really good deal. Now, you can also use this coupon on the Silver Falls Purified Drinking Water 6-count. Those are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 81 cents. Or this coupon also works on the 64-ounce Silver Falls juices. Those are priced at $2.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.52. Or you could also pick up the 20 fluid-ounce bottles of Silver Falls Purified Drinking Water at $1. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 65 cents. Now, this coupon also works on the Crystal Geyser Natural Spring Water 50 fluid-ounce bottles. Those are priced at 95 cents. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 61 cents. Or you could also pick up the 1-liter Silver Falls Sparkling Water. Those are priced at 80 cents. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 52 cents. Alright, next up, we have a 25% off coupon for the Chestnut Hill food products. So if you want to pick up the salad dressing, 16 ounces, those are priced at $1.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.12. Or this coupon also works on the Village Farm Instant Oatmeals 6-count. Those are priced at $1.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.12. Or this coupon also works on the Chestnut Hill seasonings. There's different ones that y'all can choose from. Those are priced at $1 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Or you could also pick up the Chestnut Hill mini marshmallows 10-ounce bags. Those are also priced at $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Now again, y'all keep in mind that these coupons probably work on a lot more products in the store. I am just simply working from home this morning. I have a few things that I have to get done before I head out and do my couponing for the day. But if I get to Family Dollar and find any really good deals, I will make a post about it in the community tab. But just keep that in mind that once you're in the store, you can click on the coupon, click the scan button, you can scan the barcode, and the app will tell you whether that coupon works on that product or not. All right, next up, we have a 25% off coupon for the Eats Salty Snacks Cookies or Crackers. So if you want to pick up the chewy chocolate chip cookies, those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.87. Now, this coupon also works on the Eats Duplex Cream Cookies 25-ounce bags. Those are priced at $2.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.06. Or you could also pick up the Eats Barbecue Potato Chips. Those are on sale 2 for $3 this week. And again, if the sale is applied first and then that coupon comes off, that should leave you paying $2.25 for both bags. Or you could also use this coupon on the Eats Coconut Macaroon Cookies 12-ounce bags. Those are priced at $1.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 93 cents. Alright guys, so there you have it for those Family Dollar store coupons. Now I really hope that y'all can get out there today and grab up some of these deals before those coupons do expire. But like I said before, make sure that you stick around, turn on those notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video, because I will be uploading a second Family Dollar video either later today or first thing tomorrow morning with even more coupon matchups and at least 1 or 2 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Family Dollar. Now, if y'all are looking for even more deals and ways to save money, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos that I uploaded this week. On Tuesday, I did upload the Dollar General Good Deals and Glitch List video, and we have a ton of awesome deals going on at DG this week. And then on Wednesday, which was yesterday, I did upload the Walgreens video going over coupon matchups, glitches, and rebates. So we have some amazing deals going on at all 3 stores with DG, Walgreens, and Family Dollar. So if you missed out on any of those videos, I'm going to have them linked in the pinned comment down below. So make sure that you go and check them out if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys can get out there and grab up some of these deals before those coupons expire at the end of the day. And if you do, don't forget to come back and let me know down in the comment section below. But before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video because we are so close to getting to 30,000 crazy couponers. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.